Looking for a toner cartridge that delivers sharp, professional quality prints without breaking the bank? The 80A80X CF280A CF280X toner cartridge replacement for HP LaserJet Pro 400 M401 printers promises just that. With up to 2,700 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage, it's designed to keep your printing running smoothly and efficiently. I recently switched to this toner after struggling with cartridges that left smudges and streaks on important documents. Right out of the box, the print quality was noticeably clearer, crisp letters with no smudging or streaking. The cartridge fits perfectly in models like the M401dn, M425dn and M425dw, as well as the MFP M425dn and M425dw printers. Loading it requires a careful angle, but once installed, the stability and compatibility are impressive. Plus, each cartridge undergoes rigorous quality tests to ensure consistent performance, so you won't have to worry about unexpected print failures. What really stood out was the customer support. When one of my cartridges arrived damaged, the replacement process was quick and hassle-free. That kind of service adds real peace of mind when buying third-party replacements. The package includes 2 black toner cartridges, so you're set for a long stretch of printing without interruptions. If you're ready to upgrade your printing experience with a toner cartridge that offers clear, professional results and dependable performance, this 80A toner replacement is worth a look. It's ideal for home offices or small businesses that rely on crisp printouts without the premium price tag. Try it when you're ready and see the difference in your documents today.